Here we have a Bahama 52-inch hugger ceiling fan. This fan is in an ivory color. It has white blades. I'm pretty sure they reverse to the same ivory finish that the housing and everything else is in. It has this nice spotlight kit on it, which I really like. 3-speed, of course. Where's the Bahama logo at? I think it's on. I don't think you're going to be able to see that. That's right there. You can see the edge of it. This is the second of the 2 Bahama huggers that remain in this building. The rest of them got replaced by Heritage in the 2000s. This one I'm pretty sure is also from 1992, same as the other one. It's the light kit. Looks really nice on this fan. This is a huge childhood fan of mine. Grandma and Grandpa used to live here, and this area used to be the living room. And I remember messing with these ceiling fans, especially this one, because I always thought the light pole chain sounded weird. I always messed with this light pole chain because of how different it sounded from the other pole chains in here. But this fan, I always remember it wobbling. I think the wobbling toned down a little bit for some reason, but this was used for about the first half of when they lived here, and then in the second half they stopped using this one, and the one over there they kept using the one in the middle, the Heritage. And this fan eventually seized from the kitchen grease, and I oiled it, and obviously the bearings are fine now. Pretty sure these were made by SMC. This is a factory defect. The switch on the fan goes medium, high, low instead of the average high, medium, and low. So anyways, here is low. That's a little bit of bearing noise. Fan has some cool startup sounds. Let's see it wobbling a little bit. This one runs a lot faster than the other one. I remember this fan used to always run a medium because we thought the first pole was high. But nope, second pole is medium or high. wobbles a little bit less on medium, but it shakes a little bit, or at least like it does. I love the ceiling fan. This is a great fan. It's nice and powerful. A lot of nostalgia. I have a lot of nostalgia with those two, but they're not necessarily great fans like this one is. Alrighty. Thank you for watching.